And now we are going to show you how we plug the system in. You very much plug it in, tighten this right there and do it nice and slow. And we wrapped our cable around this arm. We extended it by doing this. Here's a collapsed one. We unlock this. We unlock the second one, and we do this and do this. We wait to lock this to adjust the cable, but we definitely lock this one right now. And that's exactly what we did here. And as we extended our cable, then we hooked it, and there's always one of these red or white indicators to show you how to place it this way. Now, I'm gonna lock these on this side, and now the cable is ready to be installed on all four. So, let's extend the other two arms too. The reason this is there, so it will give the detectorist more room to be on the inside of the system, and we will show you that and walk with it so you'll see what we are talking about. We'll open that one up, we'll lock it, open this one, extend it, wait, leave it so we can adjust it, we can lock it later, and we'll do the last arm right here now. So this is the entire system extended. Now time to put the wire on the system. We can start from any side we like. And the last one, as you can see, one of them have to go in, and here we go. Now we're going to make sure that it is tight from all four directions. And there we go. Now our 2 meter by 2 meter antenna is hooked. We'll assume that this is the area where we want to start, and this is why we open that, so it will give us the room that we want. It is so lightweight. We keep it about so much above the ground. We turn it on, and I am going to start walking to show you how this will work for us. Here we go. This is how we go about detecting with the system. I'm gonna come back at you. Here we go. As you can see, it covers a huge area. Now we are going to convert this and show you how it can be converted into a 1 meter by 1 meter system. Now we're going to convert this 2 meter by 2 meter antenna that we use into a 1 meter by 1 meter antenna. There are areas sometimes that are smaller that we need to detect, so we have to reduce the antenna size. And it is really very simple. We start with this right here, collapse it, run the cable, collapse it, Okay, now we have collapsed this way. Same thing with everything else. It goes back in. Lock this and collapse that to about this size. Same as this one to about around here. And then we're going to show you a move of what we do with the cable and how we fold it in half. On all four sides we do the same. We take our cable out and we do the following. We stand right here and we do this. Place the cable on the ground. Go to about the middle of the cable. This is very important to watch and see. We cross the cable right here at the middle of it. Then we take the rest of the cable right here and we walk towards the system, whereby we hook it on the other side, right here. Straighten out these. Lock. Straighten out these. Lock. And the last remainder cable, we do the same with it on this side. Bring it in. And now our cable has changed into a 1 meter by 1 meter cable. Try to tighten it up, but you can. If it's just a little bit loose, or you didn't get it totally straight up, like in this area, it is okay. It is not going to hurt anything or change the performance. Now our system is a 1 meter by 1 meter system, and you still can go in the middle of it and you can still detect with it. And I will come back at you to see what it looks like while we are doing that. Follow the instructions, be gentle with the cable, be nice plugging it in, take your time, and good luck with your treasure finding experience.